Hi! Welcome to my moving in or out home tour. Okay, let me go. Safety is important. So, this is my bedroom. Each and every corner, each and every element feels so much me because this was the first time I actually did something all by myself and everything which I wanted. Like starting from the sunflowers to add a bit of sunshine, and then Tedu, the most cutest and valued member of my home. And he is someone जिसको मैं रोज रात को ऐसे हक करके सोती हूँ. And then this is a board. It's like full of aesthetic. But then अगर आप इसको सिर्फ ध्यान से देखो, there's a division in the left and the right side. Left side looks very messy, not very messy, but it's vibrant, it's colorful. But on the right side, as you can see, there's a more of a minimal and a very softer whitish vibe. So this is just like me, like two parts of me, two sides of me. And over there we have, okay, so over here we have this penguin and इसमें थोड़े से essential stuff है. And then over here we have my side table. This is an astronaut gifted to me, and I switch it on at the night to give that starry effect as moonlight, not moonlight but like galaxies and as colorful lights. And यहाँ पे lamp and the book I am currently reading, Atomic Habits, and then some journals and my mask, which is very funny, and some essential stuff. But wait, did I tell you about the closet? No, let's go. Okay, so I forgot to tell about my closet before. Of course, it's my first time. So these have my basic essential daily wear items. Like these, this closet has all of my bottoms, and over here a quick sneak peek. Just tops and basic purses and stuff. And let's go to the next room. So this is my studio. And this is the space where I spend most of my time, where I work. And of course this space which has received, I believe, the most number of compliments. And let's just see what all is there in my work/study desk. So of course I have my laptop, iPad, and then the monitor just in case I have to edit some videos, some novels, my to-do, of course my Tumblr, stationery, and just some cute basic aesthetic stuff. Then coming over to the vision board. So vision board, as you can see, it's very dreamy, and it has all of my goals and the brands which I want to work with. And I have some pictures and just things I want to achieve and which make me feel good. Then I have this pillow and the other pillow also, which you saw in the bedroom, that was also customized, rainbow. As you can see, I love rainbows. Then we have this lamp which has multicolor lighting. Okay, just to set up the ambience and the mood of the room. And then we have some shooting equipments. Those are all the technical stuff. And here, what do we have here? Just a planter and the place where I do my fit checks. And a small cute makeup vanity which has the, the basic skincare and the makeup products that I use on a regular basis or even for shoots. And then we have a printer. This is a mirror, which I don't like, but I have to adjust because of course this is a rental apartment. This is a mirror where I do all of my fit checks, and I love this the most. I just love being in front of the mirror, looking at myself in the outfit and just feeling very good about it. And I love the curtains. I love their print and pattern. And I just love everything about this room, of course. Or the entire house or the home. So I think that's pretty much it. Now let's go to the kitchen. Hello, here's the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. it has the most basic and I believe the essential stuff which we use of course on a regular basis खाना खाने के लिए. We have the microwave, the toaster, masale. Then yeah, it has all of the crockery and groceries. And in the bottom shelves, yeah, I mean, do I really need to explain? It's very basic. Yeah, now I think the only part that's left, which I believe should have been the first, is the living room. Okay, so this is a sofa cum bed. And I bought this on purpose कि ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं, so of course we can expand it and we can just pop on it. And then I have this coffee table which has these pouches, puffs, whatever you want to call. And yeah, as you can see here, there's a very green and a very, very cooling and warm kind of a vibe. Everything's green actually, even this basket where I have the essential stuff like keys and some bills and I don't know. And then yeah, this planter, I really love food by the way. And that's pretty much it over here. Here are some magazines and some basic stuff. Let's move on to this section. Here we have some fake plants and a real one as well. Then a lamp that was gifted to me. Tissue paper and I don't know, yeah, a coffee scented candle. I don't know what else to explain. This is a TV unit, but I don't own a TV yet. One day soon. And did you show the guitar? No? Yeah. I'm not like a pro guitarist, but kabhi I can play. Okay, did we miss anything? I think we missed the washroom. That's not something we actually show, but sneak peek to de sakte hain. Okay, so ironically, I have two washrooms, and this is kind of a guest washroom. Obviously, I'm not personal to nahi dikhane wali. So, sneak peek. I don't know, was that show? This is a bit embarrassing. But I think we are done with the house tour. And wait, let me quickly give you an outro. So, this was the place I've been living for the past few months. 5 months to be precise. And in case you haven't lived alone, I suggest you should try it. Because I think it's magical. But at the same time, I think it teaches you a lot. And this was the first apartment I ever moved into by my own self and built each and every corner, each and every space with my whole heart. So yeah, this place is gonna be missed. But let's just hope the new place I move into brings out a new version of me. And everything has just happened in a jiffy and because of multiple reasons. But let's just hope that everything turns out to be good. Until then, see you in the next video. I hope you like this one. Till then, bye bye.